Yeah, welcome everyone. So in this video, let me show how we can submit the assignment in a Google Classroom using mobile. This is a user-friendly classroom which is just which we can log in just by using Gmail account. So using a Google code which is given by the faculty, or the link, we can simply join the Google Classroom by downloading the Google Classroom app from your Play Store. So I have two classrooms as a student. So let me click on the first classroom. So that is EQSV classroom. So let me click here. So here, this is the first thing is stream. The one which is displayed here is nothing but stream. So in the stream, it is like a dashboard. So everything that is shared in the future will be displayed here. Okay. Next we have classwork. So in the classwork, the notes which is sent by the faculty, or the assignment which is given by the faculty, or if any quiz or whatever the material like YouTube link, whatever the faculty shares, we can see in the classwork. And this is under unit 1. So coming to people, so in the people you have a teacher here, and next classmates, you have classmates like this. So these many number of students are there here. So coming to classwork, how we can submit the assignment is, so let me go to this EQSV assignment 1. Let me click on this assignment 1. So before that, you can see that due is 29 September. So here we can see the due date is 29 September. So before 29 September, the teacher is interested from the students to submit the assignment. Okay, so it is given for 5 points. So in the attachments, we have a PDF file. So these are the instructions given by the faculty here: attach answers in PDF file, and etc and etc. So let me click this EQSV assignment 1 PDF. So here we get 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 different questions we are having in the PDF file. This is nothing but this is assignment 1. So how we can send the answers to these questions? So this is as given by the faculty. So let us drag this upwards, and we have options like your work is assigned. Next we have to add attachment. So click on add attachment, and we must have a prior PDF file that is written by us, that is assignment. Suppose the faculty is giving us a problems, we have to write in A4 sheet and make it a PDF by using different scanner options we have in Play Store. So we have to send it as an attachment. How? We have to click on this attachment, and if you have saved the PDF in Drive, you can go directly from Drive, or if you want to share the file exclusively for this, so let me click on this file option. So in the file option, so I have many scanned copies. Suppose third nc.pdf is our is my assignment work done. So let me click on this third nc pdf. Next, what happens is that the attachment will be uploaded here like this. So let's wait. It depends on the internet speed. The attachment is uploaded, and make sure that your drive is having enough space, at least 500 MB space is left, so that they will be attached. And next, so this is our work. And next, we can also add private comment like, thank you sir, thank you for your assignment, please find the attached file of the assignment sir. So this is a private comment, only faculty can see this comment. So you can send this directly using the send option, or before that, we have to submit the assignment. For that, we have to click on hand in. Yes, one attachment will be submitted for EQSV assignment 1. So let's click on hand in, and the attachment will be sent. So if you want to unsubmit the work, you can also click unsubmit if you feel any difficulty. So this is the private message which we can send by just clicking on send option. Okay, the faculty will get this assignment and this private comment is in the place of you. So this is how we can send a PDF file as an assignment for using Google Classroom. So apart from this, you can also send in different manner, but this is the best way that someone can send an assignment. As we have sent already, it is showing like this, right? So this is one type. So let me go to another classroom. So in the stream you can share, we can also share as a student something here. You can share, like if you are a class representative, if it is a any news is given or a circular is given by the faculty, we can share it directly into this, and we can have an attachment by clicking here. We can also have an attachment like this and click on send, so that everything that is shared here will be sent into the dashboard. So let me have this as test check. So let me have this as a check. So, and I am not attaching any file, and I am clicking directly send option. So what happens? So let us see what happens. So I have, see, at 6:07 p.m. I had a test check text here. Okay, we can add class comments to this and also other like that. So we can share anything with our classroom. So this is what how we can send the assignment work using Google Classroom. And going back to another Google Classroom here, so how many assignments can we see? If many assignments are sent by the faculty, how it will be looking. So let me click on this and see here, many assignments are there. See, so in the dashboard we can see many things are there here. So you can look at this, and this is a classwork. So this is unit 1, and under unit 1 we have many assignments submitted by the faculty, and this is teacher and these are the classmates. So this is third year's one, just I am showing you for a reference. And when you click on this, we have to-do list. So in to-do list we have how many works that must be done. This is due on 1st September, and this is due on 4th September, and this is due on 8th September. And another work which I haven't done is not having any due date. So if you are having any lagging in any work, you can also check in to-do list. Okay, and next, done. How many I have done? So I have done EQSV assignment 1 just now, and I have solved the problem in moment distribution method something. So this is regarding 2 subjects. If a student is having 2 subjects, so to-do list is there. So how many we have done and how many we have to do, that can be checked here. So this is the best way one student can be used here. So let me also have your attention regarding, if you want to send a single image, so you can add attachment and take photo directly, and you have, if this is the work done by you, you can click directly the photo and send directly here. But this makes the faculty some hesitation. So method, better not to go to this method, better to use a PDF style, so that the faculty feels it free, and they can correct it and send you back the points. So if you want this assignment to be sent, you can simply click on hand in. Yes, hand in. So this is what. So there are many other methods which we can send, but the better option is sending through PDF for your and the faculty's easiness. So I think I am clear in this video. So thank you for listening to this video. I am signing off.